Jack Ma has shared several insightful quotes about time and its importance in various aspects of life and business. Here are some of his quotes related to time. You've got to make your team have value, innovation, and vision. Also, make sure the team has a good attitude and passion because these things are very important. That's what I call respecting the value of time. Time is the most important thing in life. If you waste time, you waste life. You should work for an organization that will help you grow as a person and give you the opportunity to learn and develop your skills. If you're not learning, you're not investing your time wisely. The opportunities that everyone cannot see are the real opportunities. If you don't do it, nothing's possible. If you try to do it, at least you have the hope. When you are small, you have to be very focused and rely on your brain, not your strength. We're never in lack of money. We lack people with dreams, people who can die for those dreams. These quotes from Jack Ma highlight the value of time as a precious resource and the need to use it wisely to pursue one's goals, learn, and make a difference in the world. He emphasizes the importance of having a vision, working hard, and being persistent in the face of challenges and uncertainties.